What's the purpose of your content? I just got off a coaching call with one of my impact to income students, and we talked about mission statements, and this gave her so much clarity. So I want to share with you what we went over. The thing about creating content is that you can do it because you really like it, but if you want to build a business, it needs to have a mission behind it. For example, I love social media, but I don't have to post about social media. I can just love social media and not post about it. But what's the point of me sharing it with my audience? That's the real question. So what I had my student do was list out all of the content pillars, all of the things she shares content on. And then each one of those topics I said, why are you sharing that? What do you want your audience to get out of it? When they watch one of your videos, what do you want them to take away? And we created a statement that fills in these blanks. I create blank content for blank to blank. For example, mine might look something like I create educational content for influencers and content creators to learn how to monetize their online influence. Boom. This helps me really figure out my purpose because when I go to create content, I know that if my content idea is not fulfilling that purpose, then my audience is probably not going to care about it. So using that formula, I'm curious to hear what you guys have to say. What is your mission statement?